Now I will show you what are all the components that are available in the remote control PCB. I have removed all the 5 screws first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after removal of these 5 screws, now I can remove the PCB very well. Okay, before that I will show you what are all the components. This is actually infrared LED. This will transmit infrared rays. Okay. So these rays wavelength purely depends on the keypad. Whatever key you press, depending on the keys, it will produce the wavelength, infrared wavelength. Okay. So number two, this is a capacitor. Okay, this 3 volts DC which is supplied through the battery. It is filtered here and it is charged. This is the crystal. This is an oscillator, crystal oscillator, where we use a Rochelle salt, which is a mechanical component. So where once you feed a voltage, it will start vibrating and it will produce frequency of 4.83 megahertz, 5 megahertz, 10 megahertz. So depending on the IC, the frequency changes. But most of the remote control it remains the same, 4.83 megahertz, like that it comes. So it has got two lanes. So there is a crystal, capacitor and an infrared LED. Okay, now at the back side, if you see, this is actually a LCD display. LCD display, you can see here, LCD display, and this is the backlight. So here you can see the backlight, and at the back side of the backlight, you can see the chip. So microchip is there, and here are the tracks, actually carbon tracks. So when you press the keys, so these carbon tracks gets shorted, and depending on the carbon tracks, the signal varies actually. So depending on the signal which is given to the decoder inside the IC, that is given to the infrared LED. So this infrared LED will give you the wavelength depending on the keys you are pressing. This is all about the remote control. Okay.